आप भले कितने भी टॉप यूनिवर्सिटी में यहाँ पढ़ो, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इट ऑल कम्स डाउन टू व्हाट यू ब्रिंग ऑन द टेबल, व्हाट स्किल्स डू यू हैव। और ये तो बहुत दूर की बात है यार, मैंने तो ये भी देखा है कि कई लोगों को सीवी भी एक्सेप्ट नहीं हो रहा है। Alright guys, so welcome back once again. If you're somebody new to my channel, my name is Nikhilesh and I live here in Berlin. I'm here with a couple of my friends. They are studying here their Masters in International Business from HCW Berlin. However, the video is more about jobs. What's the deal with jobs now? When you're looking at the job market, do you sometimes feel uncertain, fearful? कि क्या चल रहा है?
Definitely, there's a lot of uncertainty in the job market right now, given the whole global situation is very uncertain with regards to job. But there are definitely opportunities, and you have to be very persistent and consistent. You have to keep applying for jobs and not really have a dull moment ki, oh my god, I'm not really getting interviews. You have to be very persistent, have a hope that okay, not right now, but say 3 months or 6 months down the line, I'm going to get there.
And in terms of like, because you're interested in, I guess, business field, right?
Yes, strategy and consulting.
I'm seeing a lot of people getting laid off, at least that's what I'm seeing. And do you think people who are about to come in 2025, should they take a halt, work for a few years and then come? What's your take basically? Ki aa jao bas.
Honestly, I have a couple of years of work experience from India in consulting before I came over here, and I would definitely say that having some experience would help you, not just with say getting a job or an internship, but you also have a little leverage in your CV, because if everybody here is a fresher, then what are you bringing to the table that will get you shortlisted somewhere? So that's one thing, having a couple of years of experience definitely helps.
Right. You didn't work, right? Did you?
Yeah, I have had a 1-year experience in a startup back in India, but
Full time?
Yeah, full time. But alongside, I was also studying, so that counts as well. If someone is coming to Germany, I would say that this is the time of recessions, but it won't be going to be that long. It will eventually end soon. So I would say come to Germany, study, and most importantly, work on your skills alongside your studies, because if you're studying in Germany, you also get plenty of your leisure time where you can spend your leisure time in improvising your skills and applying to jobs, most important.
Do you think people get desperate कि बस उनको जर्मनी उठ के आ जाना है कैसे भी, पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटी में जाए, प्राइवेट में चले जाए, ऐसा होता है? Do you have people around you?
Yeah, I have had one friend from Hyderabad. तो उसे थोड़ी सी जल्दी थी, तो उस चक्कर में he just took admission in IU, where he paid around 13,000 euros. When he discussed this thing to me, he was so shocked because he didn't know that it's easy to get admission into public university currently.
Easy तो नहीं है.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, if you have a good CGPA, then yeah.
तुम्हारे तो 9 थे तो तुम कह दिए.
Yeah, that's true.
तुम्हारा भी 9 है ऑलमोस्ट. तो look, I don't think so. The whole point is कि आप प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी में मत जाओ, right? That's not the point. उसको पता ही नहीं था शायद से.
Yeah, exactly. He was unaware about the situation.
और मेरे को ये भी पता है कि काफी लोग they end up going to these wrong middlemen who handle the admission process, और फिर वो आपके कान में कहानियां भरते हैं, which is far from the truth, right? And वो आपके दिमाग में ऐसा डाल देंगे कि यार आपका तो होगा ही नहीं, आपकी तो 3 साल की डिग्री है, आपका CGPA उतना नहीं है, आप SOP अच्छा नहीं लिख पाओगे, आपको क्लैरिटी नहीं, आपके पास वर्क एक्सपीरियंस. The list is endless, right? आपको बहकाने वाले बहुत लोग हैं, but personally speaking, I've met lot of students and I've gone to lot of universities. People who have made it this far are the ones who took charge of their entire process by themselves. Do you agree?
I absolutely agree with you, because I did not go to a consultant. I know people who are here who've been to consultants, and honestly speaking, consultants को एक particular university को promote करना होता है, और वो आपको वही university pitch करेंगे. Generally आपको public universities बिल्कुल भी नहीं pitch करने वाले. They're only going to give you private universities, because that's where they make their money from. And obviously it is a little difficult to get into public university, पर grades ही सबसे बड़ी चीज़ नहीं होती है. You can definitely work on your SOP. You can have a couple of years of work experience. अगर आप वो 13,000 या 16,000 यूरो का फीस देने के लिए रेडी हो, तो माइट एज वेल आप घर पे रुको 1 साल, अच्छा जॉब ढूंढो इंडिया में, वर्क ऑन योर स्किल्स, और फिर यहाँ पे आना. आपको यहीं पे ईजी होने वाला है चीज़ों के लिए. जस्ट कमिंग to Germany is not it. The hustle is big here as well.
राइट बट अभी जो आपने बोला कि जस्ट वेट देयर फॉर फ्यू इयर्स एंड देन कम, बहुत लोग इस चीज को बाय नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज दे आर लाइक कि यार मैं फिगर आउट कर लूंगा या कर लूंगी उधर जाके. बट वी नो कि लोग कितना स्ट्रगल करते हैं. अभी नौकरी जब ढूंढने जाएंगे यहाँ पर, आप कुछ भी करके जर्मनी तो आ जाओगे, नो डाउट इन दैट. यू विल मेक इट टू जर्मनी वेदर बी इट इन अ पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटी या प्राइवेट. जब नौकरी ढूंढने की बात आती है ना, आई थिंक दिस इज वेयर एवरीबडी कम एंड स्टक, राइट, गेट स्टक बेसिकली. डू यू हैव सच पीपल अराउंड यू?
Everybody struggles with their jobs, no matter it's me or anybody who you'll speak to in today's given point of time. क्योंकि the globe is into recession. Say no matter आप Germany जाओ या आप US चले जाओ, सब recession में है. सब किसी को नौकरी नहीं मिल रही आसानी से. But definitely when I said कि इंडिया में रुको, थोड़ा 1-8 साल का वर्क एक्सपीरियंस लो, आपके स्किल्स लेवरेज होने वाले हैं. आप यहाँ पे आके कितना टाइम के लिए और जॉब करोगे? There is a limited time you can do an odd job for. You need to work back on your career, and when you get back there, it's going to be a tough time that you're going to face.
What do you think, like people, where do they go wrong? जब अभी यहाँ आ जाते हैं बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट, स्पेशली वो लोग जिसके पास जीरो एक्सपीरियंस है लाइफ का, वर्क एक्सपीरियंस में, और वो लोग यहाँ पर आ गए हैं. What do you both think? I'm sure आप लोग मिले भी होंगे ऐसे लोगों से जिसके पास एक भी साल का एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, फ्रेश ग्रेजुएट है. What do they struggle with the most? खुल के बताओ.
Personally मेरे को ऐसे लगता है कि you take life with a pinch of sugar instead of salt. Everything is a little difficult यहाँ पे. You can't do part-time jobs और फिर आप सोचोगे ओ मेरा थीसिस हो जाएगा और फिर मैं जॉब ढूंढने लगूंगी या लगूंगा. It's gonna be very difficult. तुम आते से 2-3 महीना आपने डाल दिया, एक सेमेस्टर आपने ले लिया अपने आप को फिगर आउट करने में. Then you really need to start applying for work study, say full-time jobs, and not consistently be like, oh my course will get over and I'll get a job. You're not going to get it. It's not that easy. If you get it, you're very lucky. But we all don't come with a bag full of luck.
I have another great answer to that. If you are a totally fresher, you don't have any experience, I would suggest to work on your German skills. So basically, when I was right currently I am seeking for a job, and most of the job descriptions which are easier to get, mostly requiring only German.
वो भी बहुत हाई लेवल की, I think.
Exactly. See,
B2
you,
C1.
you need at least C1 level German. So I would suggest if you don't have any work experience, work on your German skills. That would be really fruitful.
And I think like work experience जब नहीं होता है ना, तो आपको कुछ तो substantial आपको प्रेजेंट करना पड़ेगा. अगर आपके पास टेक्निकल स्किल भी नहीं है, हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस भी नहीं दिखा पा रहे हो, आपने 2 इंटर्नशिप करी है विच इज नथिंग रेलेवेंट ऑन अ ग्लोबल स्केल, ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग. सो द ओनली वे यू कैन सेल योरसेल्फ इज थ्रू लैंग्वेज. एटलीस्ट दैट विल गेट यू एक्सेप्टेड इन द कंपनी. अब आप अंदर जाके कितनी चीजें सीख के, बिकॉज मेरे को लगता है कि इट्स ओनली अ मैटर ऑफ फाइंडिंग द फर्स्ट इंटर्नशिप या वर्किंग स्टूडेंट, बिकॉज वहां से आपकी एक अच्छी शुरुआत हो जाती है, फिर यू स्टार्ट स्लोली टेकिंग ऑफ, राइट. जो लोग वर्क एक्सपीरियंस लेके आ रहे हैं तो ऑफकोर्स यार दे हैव सो मच स्टोरीज टू शेयर, दे हैव सो मेनी एग्जाम्पल्स टू शेयर इन द इंटरव्यू राउंड्स. बिकॉज कोई भी एम्प्लॉयर आज के टाइम पे नोइंग कि यार फाइनेंशियली एवरीथिंग इज क्रंच्ड सो मच, दे आर नॉट गोना स्पेंड ऑन अ रिसोर्स विच इज नॉट yielding them something good for the business, right? आप भले कितने भी टॉप यूनिवर्सिटी में यहाँ पढ़ो, at the end of the day it all comes down to that, right? It all comes down to what do you bring on the table, what skills do you have. और ये तो बहुत दूर की बात है यार, मैंने तो ये भी देखा है कि कई लोगों को CV भी एक्सेप्ट नहीं हो रहा है. Right? Have you been trying like for the jobs?
Yeah, basically, so the catch is here is that most of the HRs are using ATS system, which is basically application tracking system. It automatically segregates all the CVs which doesn't have the exact requirement which they have. So I would suggest you to work on your CV, put the skills according to the required in the job description. I feel it can increase your chances of landing in an interview.